Hello, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. Today we will show you every step-by-step about how to create payment voucher in Marg Software. So, let's start the video. Firstly, click to Accounts option. Then click to Voucher Entry option and then click to Payment option and then again click to Payment option. A voucher entry window will appear. The user will enter the date on which payment is to be paid. We are going to enter the transaction given in the below example, cash paid to Ranbaxy India Limited Rs, 11,000 rupees. Discount received of 1,000 rupees. And then press Enter button and click on Save option to save the transaction. So, if you follow this process, you can create payment voucher very easily in Marg Software. If you like our tutorial videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more update. Thanks for watching.